Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar. We have Ariana Grande with the Cadillac Song here. So imagine this guitar, 3 chords in a Cadillac. That's nice. So we're gonna come as close as we can with this. Yeah, this guitar and 3 chords. The Cadillac is out of here, but anyway, let's take a look at the song with the capo set on the 2nd fret. That is the easiest scenario for us, so I'll put that capo on there. And we're gonna look at the chords G, E minor 7, and A minor 7. So let's start with G first. Okay, so that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The E minor 7, very easy, just hold the 2nd fret A string, all the other strings are open there. So 2nd A, and you go all strings from E to E open. That's the E minor 7, and then the A minor 7, very easy that as well, and it goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so it goes G, E minor, A minor 7, from the beginning till the very end. I'm going to show you 2 different ways of handling the chords. One is a stripped down version, but the rhythm is the same in both of these string patterns, or more like the timing is the same, all right? So we're going to start with the more stripped down version first. So if you go to G, we're going to look at the transition from G to E minor 7 because we have 2 parts in this strumming pattern. So the first part, or actually I can go with the full round, E minor, G to E minor, and you understand then how it's split. So it goes like this. Okay, so the first part is G, down, clap. So that's it. And then you switch to E minor and immediately you go to the down, and then you have a longer pause before the clap comes for E minor. So if you put that together, it will be down, clap, down, clap. Okay, so down, clap, down, pause, clap. Like that, all right? And then you're gonna play the A minor for 1 full round. So both part 1 and part 2 together, it goes like this. That's A minor part. So that is 1 chord progression. You're gonna play that from the beginning till the very end. This is a stripped down version, and it sounds like this. And so on. But now, if you wanna put some more action to this song, we will put some flesh on the skeleton here with the strumming, and we're gonna apply the same, of course, timing here when it comes to the claps, because that is what defines the song and the rhythm here, but we'll work more with downs and ups. So if we go back again to G and look at the first part, now you will play down, down, up, clap. And that is how I would play this song if I would play it with the guitar. I would play this strumming pattern now. So part 1, down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap. And then you immediately change to E minor and play down, up, down, clap, down. So down, up, down, clap, down. So if you put that together, part 1 and part 2, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. All right, so if you apply the same here, it will play A minor for 1 full round, and that will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, and there you have 1 chord progression there. So it goes like this. so on. You can mix back and forth here, and you see it match perfectly because the timing is right here. What you do in the pauses, you can have different ways of strumming. This is my version of the strumming here, but the timing is important in the song, and that is how it is. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Ariana Grande's Cadillac Song. Yeah, that's it. Play tuned.